कब फट्टू बन गए, बनना था शेर और शायद भेड़ बन के रह गए हैं। So today we are going to decode why high salaries make weak professionals। ये जो सारा फ्रस्ट्रेशन हम ऑफिस का घर पे या फैमिली में उतार देते हैं, दिस इज अ टिपिकल ऑफ अ ह्यूजली सक्सेसफुल सैटर्न, यानी आपका कर्मकार का प्लैनेट, ह्यूजली सक्सेस मनी यानी आपका वीनस, बट टेस्टोस्टेरोन प्लैनेट है या एस्ट्रोजन प्लैनेट है इफ यू आर अ लेडी, this goes down. So especially if you're 45 plus, how long will you carry on like this?
Do you feel stuck in your career despite working so hard? Saturn. Watch your Saturn. Let me show you how you can decode Saturn.
8 से 10 घंटा तो बिता ही रहे हो, एंड जस्ट रिमेंबर कि ये जो फट्टूपंती है हमारी और आपकी जो ऑफिस में हो रहा है वो हम फैमिली में भी कैरी करते हैं, बच्चों के साथ भी, वाइफ के साथ भी, फैमिली है। तो हम बात करेंगे इस वीडियो में सैटर्न को इतना भी ऊपर नहीं करें कि हमारा मार्स वीक हो जाए, हमारा मरकरी वीक हो जाए, हमारा जुपिटर मून वीक हो जाए, माइंड ही बंद हो जाए। सो ऑब्वियसली यू आर अमेजिंग एट योर वर्क एंड योर बैंक बैलेंस इन इवन स्ट्रॉन्गर। पैसा तो आप कमा ही रहे हो, लेकिन आपकी या मेरी रीढ़ की हड्डी वो थोड़ी सी सॉफ्ट हो गई है। When was the last time you spoke your mind to your boss or to anybody else? This is a typical symptom of a fattu Mars or a weak Mars.
So a journal video can only show a pattern, cannot tell you whether that pattern belong to you.
क्या आपके साइकोलॉजी या आपके फैमिली में फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा? I don't think so. So मैं 7 points की मैं बात करूंगा इस वीडियो में, which is going to be the combination of the planets, combination of the planets, combination of Saturn and other planets, कैसे अपने मार्स को और ताकतवर बनाएं। That is what we are going to talk in this video. रेमेडीज भी होंगी उन 7 पॉइंट के बाद, शायद you get back your dignity, you get back your respect both in office and in your family. You know, सबसे पहला पॉइंट, that monthly paycheck. It's not your financial oxygen. It's a slow poison, a golden thala of freedom. So today we will diagnose your power, your dignity, and your kundali.
Pause for a moment. 1 minute रुकिए. Stay with me. Like, think about your biggest problem. Is this your life? Is this the struggle that you love? Or do you want to get out of it? Imagine your problem getting solved. Let me show you how.
I think suddenly my wife got a call on 9th or 10th of September this month. I was thinking, so because आपने मेरे को बोला था कि इस month से year से पहले, और वही हुआ एकदम से bang on. हाँ, you predicted in around April. That I asked you on I'm going to buy a property. You told me before end of the year things will happen spontaneously. And September first week, suddenly we got a call from another people.
This property is seeing at least 2 deaths.
In this property, the woman didn't downsize it, and she went to the old age home, and then she passed away there.
Mars Gayatri Mantra. Do this Gayatri Mantra, Mars Gayatri Mantra on an everyday basis. Whenever you wake up, do it 11 times, and that's it.
That's what she's been doing for the last couple of months. You're bang on this also. I mean, you just said this is hoga exactly where you bang on in that as well.
But I'm not too happy with this kind of.
बिकॉज ऐसे ही चलता रहा तो हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू सर्वाइव दिस इनकम ट्रैप? यस, यू कैन से पैसा तो आ रहा है ना, बाकी छोड़ो। रियली आपकी औकात या आपका डिग्निटी, आपका रिस्पेक्ट कैसा है एक्चुअली, ये आपके फैमिली से पता चलता है। सी योर बिहेवियर ऑफ योर वाइफ टुवर्ड्स यू, योर आपके बच्चों का कैसा बिहेवियर है। These are all the things that are going to be of very important factor. आज नहीं तो कल, अभी से फाउंडेशन बिठाते हैं, अभी से मार्स को पक्का करते हैं, तो होपफुली थिंग्स विल बी मच बेटर, राइट? सो वीनस गिव्स यू बिग मनी. एक सेकंड ना. सो वीनस गिव्स यू बिग मनी, बट it might be, and generally does, create a weak Mars. If your D10 chart is hiding this specific planetary combination, your career is quietly bleeding out. So let's decode your screaming Kundli right now. Watch this before your next appraisal, or you might make the biggest professional mistake in your life. Believe me, प्रोफेशन फैमिली से अलग नहीं है. आखिर पैसा कमा किस लिए रहे हो, राइट? बच्चों के लिए, वाइफ के लिए, a good life, a lonely life? I don't think so. This video is not about you being leading a lonely life. Have you ever noticed the people earning the highest salary are often the most afraid of losing their job? This is hyper insecurity. और ये कब creep in कर जाता है हमको पता भी नहीं चलता. Think about that for a moment. All right, someone earning 15 lakhs a year may sleep very peacefully, and someone earning 80 lakhs a year sometimes cannot. And why? Because the money doesn't always create freedom. Sometimes it purchases your freedom from you.
Damn it! दोस्तों, पता है सबसे खराब क्या लगता है? जब मेरे पास कोई डेटा ही नहीं रहता. जिस तरह एक डॉक्टर को एक एक्सरे रिपोर्ट की सख्त जरूरत पड़ती है बीमारी का असली इलाज के लिए, वैसे ही काश मेरे सामने आपकी कुंडली होती और उस कुंडली को देखकर मैं एग्जैक्ट जो एफ्लिक्शंस हैं, जो प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, चाहे आपके हेल्थ के लिए हो, करियर के लिए, जॉब के लिए, मैरिज के लिए, चिल्ड्रंस के लिए, किसी भी प्रकार का प्रॉब्लम्स उस कुंडली से निकल सकता था. मैं मिस कर रहा हूं आप लोगों की कुंडली. However, good news is आपको सिर्फ फोन उठाना है, अच्छे किसी एस्ट्रोलॉजर को, उससे एनालिसिस करवा लीजिए आपके प्रॉब्लम का कंप्लीट चार्ट का, ताकि आप एग्जैक्ट पिन पॉइंटेड remedial measures ले पाए.
And the frightening part is that intelligent professional rarely notice when this ये खड्डे में जाने का जो प्रोसेस है वो स्टार्ट होता है. समझ में नहीं आता. Not because they are weak, but because the process is almost invisible. Almost invisible. Slowly it seeps into you. One promotion, one salary increase, wow. One bigger house, one new EMI. आ गया डेट में, ले लिया आपने EMI.
Don't blame yourself. It's okay. Everybody does that. Even I do it. Everybody does that. So just relax. अपने आप को माफ करना सीखिए. We are on the way to a solution. Keep watching. Both you and I are going to find that solution. It's coming. It's coming.
And one lifestyle upgrade. कोई क्लब ज्वाइन कर लिया, जिम ज्वाइन कर लिया, महंगा वाला, you know, वो फिल्म स्टार्स वाला, and you are in the trap. एक दिन ऐसा आएगा when you realize you cannot afford to walk away. That's not success, my dear friends. That's dependency. Yeah? और इस वीडियो में हम इसी डिपेंडेंसी को हटाने की कोशिश करेंगे as much as possible. All right? आपका और मेरा Mars is getting weaker every day as we age. Obviously, our testosterone, our estrogen, goes down, and we get a weak Mars. Did you notice your health failing or property problems suddenly creeping up? And what about your personal life? Mars is your drive, your energy, your fire. When you trade it for a paycheck, you lose your edge. Taken up? So by the end of this video, you will never look at your career the same way. You will understand why some professionals become stronger every time they receive a promotion, and while others quietly become prisoners of their own success. Are you a prisoner of your own success? Just think about it. Don't answer me. You will discover what each major planets Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Venus. Rahu, Ketu is actually doing inside your professional life. So पहले तो अपनी कुंडली खोल लीजिए जितना जल्दी हो सके, and then we go deeper and deeper. Is Saturn building discipline or teaching you to tolerate what never should have been tolerated? Is Rahu expanding your opportunity or silently expanding your fears? Expanding your fears. So before we go any further, answer these 3 questions, all right? In your head, don't answer me. I mean, अपने आप से ही सवाल पूछिए और अपने आप को ही सवाल जवाब भी दीजिएगा. If tomorrow your designation disappears, let's say, all right, would your confidence disappear with it? If your company closed tonight, who would you call tomorrow morning? Your manager or the market? Who would you call? If your salary stopped for the next 3 months, would you already know your next move? Is your plan B ready? मेरा तो नहीं था. आपका रेडी है? आपके चार्ट में आपका प्लान बी छुपा है. And that's a wonderful thing. जनरली ये मरकरी के पास होता है. जनरली. और would fear make every decision for you? फ्रस्ट्रेटेड होकर मैंने भी ये किया है, उल्टे सीधे कंपनी ज्वाइन कर लिया था, डर लग गया बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट एम्पावर माई मून. सैटर्न के पीछे भागते भागते ना मार्स को देखा, ना मून को, ना जुपिटर को. Notice your first reaction when you ask these questions. This reaction which you're experiencing right now is the brutal truth. That's a fact, not emotion. So today we are not just discussing or reading your horoscope or chart or kundli. We are doing a root canal on your career using Vedic astrology and corporate psychology, which I have experienced in my long life. 5-6 साल का भयंकर एक्सपीरियंस है मेरे को. चले, let's begin. तो section 2, the promotion trap, the promotion trap. ये बहुत जरूरी है. Do you remember your very first promotion? You worked late, you sacrificed weekends, you solved problems that nobody wanted to solve, and finally, someone noticed you. Your salary increased, your confidence grew. There's nothing wrong with that. Congratulations. But something else arrived on the very same day. Expectations. Yesterday mistakes were learning opportunities. Today mistakes becomes political. Mars, Venus and Rahu. Weak Mars, Venus, Rahu. Jealousy. Yesterday you switched your phone off after work. Today your phone never sleeps. The higher you climb, the more people begin to watching you, judging you. One delayed email becomes, he is losing control. छोड़ दो. Yeah, इसका तो टाइम खत्म. One difficult meeting becomes, leadership is not for everyone. Yeah, that happens to you. मेरे साथ तो हुआ है. Especially एक उम्र के बाद, 45 plus जैसे मैं कह रहा हूं. This is when the Mars actually suffers the most. Mars, Rahu, Venus is equal to jealousy factor in full speed ahead. आपकी कुंडली में ये एक्टिवेट हुआ है? मेरे ख्याल से हुआ है, राइट? क्या करें इसके लिए? What remedies to do? So let's decode this astrology behind this. Let's decode the science behind this, the planetary combination behind this. The sun represents authority. Authority creates attention. Attention creates comparison. And comparison awakens Rahu. And Rahu magnifies emotions. Admirations becomes jealousy. Feedback becomes gossip. Small mistakes become permanent labels. ये तो ऐसे ही हैं. अरे ये तो फट्टू है, ये तो चमचा है, अरे छोड़ यार, लेट्स नॉट टेक हिम सीरियसली, ये पहले तो नहीं था। एज योर मार्क्स गोज डाउन, आपका वर्चस्व क्वेश्चनेबल होने लगता है। इमेजिन योर सीईओ वॉकिंग इनटू योर रूम, जस्ट इमेजिन इट, डज योर कॉन्फिडेंस इमीडिएटली चेंजेस? Now imagine your designation disappears tonight. Would your colleagues still invite you for that sutta break or a chai break? Or was that respect borrowed from your visiting card? Borrowed authority feels exactly like real authority until someone takes it away. It's a fact of life, my dear friends. The weak sun creates its biggest illusion. It whispers, you are your designation. आपने वो बूढ़े अंकलों को देखा है ना अभी भी पार्क में घूमते हुए? हो सकता है सरकारी नौकरी में बहुत अच्छे ओहदे पर थे, लेकिन अभी भी अपने सबको कोलीग्स ही समझते हैं, डांटते हैं, वो भी बच्चों को। Do you want to be that? Mercury is your capability, not just Mars. Power it up now. Mercury, communications, your brain, your common sense, your practical thinking, for God's sake. I have met vice presidents who were afraid to make one independent decision. Can you believe that? I've met them. I've seen their kundli. सब कुछ है उनके पास, दम नहीं है। Let's go to section 3, the salary addiction loop. ये एक बहुत भयंकर ट्रैप होता है, and I call it a salary addiction loop, and here how it begins. You get an increment, great, you celebrate, then comes a better apartment, a better car, but quietly your expenses begins to grow faster than your confidence, and this is the trap has been sprung open. This is the 6th house trap, the debt trap. रोग ऋण शत्रु एक्टिवेट हो गया। A weak Mercury, a powerful Venus, and an uncontrolled one EMI becomes 2. School fees increases, foreign holidays becomes expectations. Lifestyle slowly becomes identity. Every upgrade feels like success. No doubt about that. Until one day you realize you cannot afford to lose even 1 month's salary. फंस गए आप. And this is the day your salary stops becoming your income. It becomes your financial oxygen. Now you are trapped. And if someone controls your oxygen, आपकी कंपनी, आपका बॉस, who really has the power? You or them? This is exactly why brilliant professionals tolerate disrespectful behavior. Disrespectful manager, weekend calls, and ruined health. Not because they are weak, but because they are simply Saturn whispers, just tolerate this a little longer. Rahu whispers, you don't have a choice. The sun slowly becomes smaller, weaker. Mercury stops learning. Jupiter stops expanding. Nothing changes outside. Everything changed inside, isn't it? If your company announced layoffs this evening, what would you do first? Update your resume? Call your network? Or simply freeze in fear? Companies rarely create a golden handcuffs. People create them. ये कंपनी का फॉल्ट नहीं है. Your company never forced you to buy a bigger house or decided your happiness dependent on a designation. We built the trap. And because we built it, we can dismantle it. आपको पता है ये इथेनॉल का एक जरा कुछ अलग से बात कर रहा हूं. इथेनॉल का ये जो पूरा ताबड़तोड़ चल रहा है, आपने देखा है वीडियोस में फिल्म स्टार्स, रिच क्लास, HNI, हाई नेटवर्थ इंडिविजुअल्स वीडियो नहीं बनाते. वो आ भी नहीं रहे हैं, बात भी नहीं कर रहे हैं. व्हाई? वो स्पीड भरा रहे हैं, वो प्योर पेट्रोल भरा रहे हैं. They've come out of that trap. You would too. Don't build a lifestyle that requires one job. Build a lifestyle that protects your freedom. A strong son always asks, if I had to walk away tomorrow, could I? Now let's uncover the biggest mistake professional makes, especially over 40. The mistake that quietly destroys career long before retirement. They stop investing in themselves. The first 10 years of your career are filled with a hunger to learn, to experiment, build skills. Then success arrives. Life becomes comfortable. You slowly stop becoming a student and become a caretaker. So instead of building your future, you begin protecting your present. You know? The world never stops learning. AI doesn't stop competitors. AI doesn't stop. Competitors don't stop. Only you and I stop. Weak Mars, weak Mercury. Too much Saturn. Let's understand the Jupiter. Jupiter is wisdom, but it asks an uncomfortable question. Are you still growing? Not earning. Growing. I have met professionals earning 50 lakh who haven't learned anything meaningful in 5 years. Salary can hide stagnation. Learning never does. Mercury doesn't care how successful you were yesterday. Mercury simply asks, what problem can you solve today? The market rewards usefulness. Your employer rewards loyalty. ये difference है market और employer में. Never confuse the two. Never do it. Then Rahu quietly returns, creating comfortable illusions. Wow, everything is nice. You have made it. You deserve to relax. Meanwhile, someone younger, hungrier, and more curious is quietly preparing you to replace you, or preparing to replace you. That isn't negativity. That is hardcore jungle competition. If I removed your salary, your laptop, and your business card, what would still remain? Would someone still pay for your knowledge? Never become so expensive that you cannot leave, and never become so comfortable that you stop growing. आते हैं remedies पे. How do we become financially successful without becoming psychologically dependent? This is where Vedic astrology or astrology becomes incredibly practical and result oriented. जैसे मैं बार बार कहता हूं, practical astrology is just like a pen and a nib and a cartridge. बिना ink के nib नहीं चलेगा, बिना nib के pen नहीं चलेगा. सबसे पहले सूर्य, आदित्य हृदय स्रोत. सूर्य को जल डालिए, सूर्य को पावर दीजिए, सूर्य के नक्षत्र को देखिए, नवांश को देखना है. The stronger sun makes you difficult to manipulate. Strengthen your sun every morning with Aditya Hriday Shrotram. Tato yuddha parishrantam samare chintayastitam. You are not merely chanting Sanskrit shloka and verses. You are training your mind. You remind yourself that your worth comes from within, not from your manager, by the way. Saturn, yani discipline. Saturn doesn't reward talent. No, it doesn't. Saturn rewards discipline. Wake up on time. Honor your commitments. Discipline strengthens Saturn much faster than your fear. Mercury, yani aapka market value. Mercury never stops learning. Promise yourself every year, learn one new skill. Read, write, teach, speak. Never allow your knowledge to become outdated. Jupiter, yani wisdom. Find a mentor. Read great books. Knowledge without wisdom creates ego. Wisdom creates freedom. Rahu, aapka ambition. Yes. Don't try to destroy Rahu. उल्टे सीधे रेमेडी फेमेडी करके राहु को खत्म मत करिए. राहु खत्म हुआ तो यानी आप भी खत्म. सिंपल एज दैट. जंगल तो जाना नहीं है, आपको साधु सन्यासी तो बनना नहीं है. राहु को गाइड करिए. राहु इज एम्बिशन, बट इट्स फेवरेट गेम इज comparison. So stop comparing your life to others. Focus on your own journey. कुछ practical career rules be their own bonus. Never depend on one source of income. Power your Mercury. मैं बार बार कह रहा हूं, Mercury and Venus. अपने ड्वेल राशियों को देखिए अपने चार्ट में, कहां बैठे हैं. 3, 12, 9, Sagittarius, Pisces, Gemini. Very important राशि. इनको बूस्ट करिए, इनको पावर दीजिए. पावर योर इनकम, योर सेकंड इनकम. टीच, कंसल्ट, इन्वेस्ट, बिल्ड another pillar. Never allow your designation to become your identity. Save aggressively. Savings buy freedom. And freedom strengthens your second house, your Taurus, your moon, your sun. एक सेकंड हाउस जहां पर मून एक्सॉल्टेड होते हैं, बहुत सारे प्लैनेट्स को पावर देता है. यू नो, and that's savings. Never compromise your dignity for money. Money can be earned again. Self-respect takes years to be built or rebuilt. The richest professional is the one who can politely say, and that is the BAP of all blockers. Sun never asks, how much money did you earn? The sun asks, who did you become while you were earning it? Who did you become earning it? Don't chase a high salary. Chase high value. Value creates options. Options creates freedom. And freedom creates confidence. Yes. सूर्य को पावर देना बहुत जरूरी है. अपने पितरों को शांत करिए. पितृ पक्ष में पितरों की पूजा अर्चना करिए. गाय को रोटी खिलाइए. मंदिर की सफाई करिए. सूर्य जिस नक्षत्र में है उसका गायत्री मंत्र बहुत पावरफुल रेमेडी है. इफ यू रियलाइज टुडे दैट योर कैरियर हैज बीन रिपीटिंग द सेम इनविजिबल पैटर्न, इट्स टाइम टू स्टॉप guessing. Every Kundali tells a story about the pattern that shaped your past and the choices that can reshape your future. And if you like me to personally analyze your birth chart, your D10, your dashas, and identify the planetary roadblocks influencing your career, I warmly invite you to book a one-to-one consultation. All the details are in the description below. We will find practical, result-oriented remedies that fits your exact stage of life. No fear, pure clarity. So friends, don't leave yet. Just close your eyes for a minute. I created this special Saturn meditation for professionals whose mind rarely slows down. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Today, इस वीडियो में हमने कुछ पुराने बिलीव्स को चैलेंज किया है. We looked at some uncomfortable truths. Let your breathing slow down. Allow your thoughts to settle. It's not an empty mind that causes problems, but a highly patterned mind, that creates this toxic mental loops. We are breaking those loops right now. Sometimes the greatest insights arrive not while we are thinking, but while we are finally still. You're not your designation, you're not your salary. You are capable, you are free, and your true power travels with you wherever you go. Thank you for spending this time with me. Today, I genuinely hope you earn well. And above all, I hope you never become a prisoner of your success. Till next time, take care of yourself. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep your sun shining. Jai Baba, Jai Guru, Jai Bhairav, Jai Ravan, Jai Suradev, Jai Hanuman.